And welcome back. So we spent the most of the day today with mainly cloudy skies with some showers around, but we're seeing a few peaks of sun as it is setting right now. High temperatures today were into the upper 50s. We have since fallen to 56 degrees in North Platte. Wind is east-southeast around 15 to 24 miles per hour, so a little breezy. That easterly wind is producing a little bit of moisture, but temperature is really not that bad. Even though we did have mainly cloudy skies through the entire day, we still are into the low to mid 50s across most of the region. 55 out toward Broken Bow near that mark at Lexington. The warm spot at 62 at Imperial and 51 as you make your way up toward Valentine, a little cooler into the Sandhills. Now, here's a look at the winds, mainly from a southeasterly direction. That easterly flow does produce moisture, and it is a cool flow for us. Wind speeds around 15 to maybe even as high as 20 miles per hour. Here's where some of the strongest wind gusts are. Seeing wind gusts on this map, 25 to 35 miles per hour, especially into our southern counties. So here's a look at the Doppler radar. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies from North Platte points off to the west. Some moisture trying to develop between Broken Bow and Lexington. Just some sprinkles down toward Hayes Center, but the bulk of the moisture now as you make your way into the Sandhills into portions of Cherry County. The only city in our viewing area actually getting some showers right now is the Valentine area, but other than that, we expect this moisture to fill in a little more as we make our way through later on this evening and into the overnight. This low is still spinning around, have a little more of a southeasterly wind before this low does exit and this high does take over. So here's what to expect as we make our way through the next couple of days. Got the showers in here, a little dip in the jet stream, so the cooler air is filtering in. The mild air has made its way into the northern plains and Canadian prairies as the dry air is off to our east, but this pattern will eventually move off to the east and we'll get back to dry and mild weather with the ridge and the jet stream as we finish out the work week. So we're going to keep the chance of some scattered showers, mainly cloudy skies through the rest of the evening and overnight. Midnight temperatures in the mid-40s. We'll have lows near 40 degrees. Any shower activity is gone by tomorrow afternoon. Could still keep a good amount of cloud cover though, so we'll say partly to mostly cloudy skies and temperatures reaching highs around 54 degrees, so a couple of degrees cooler compared to today. And then going into the overnight into Friday morning, starting to clear out, lows near 30, and high temperatures for your Friday back into the lower 60s, sunny skies, and that wind flipping around to more of a southerly direction. So let's take a look at the forecast for the night tonight. We've got mostly cloudy skies, some scattered showers. We'll still keep that southeasterly wind between 10 and 20 miles per hour, with most of us into the upper 30s and lower 40s for low temperatures. Now for the day tomorrow, mostly cloudy, still some scattered showers around, especially into the morning. Should stay mainly cloudy into the afternoon though, and that'll keep temperatures down into the mid-50s for most of us. And then for Friday, sunny skies. It will be warmer, near average for this time of year, as most of us are into the lower 60s, and we'll keep that southeasterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Then as we go through the day on Saturday, up to 64, Sunday at 67, mostly sunny skies through the weekend, and sunny skies on Monday and Tuesday, unseasonably warm again with highs near 70. Another disturbance makes its way through for Wednesday with partly cloudy skies and a high of 64 degrees. Kent?
So a little cooler tomorrow, but then, boy, I see some 70s in that long-range forecast, so that's not bad.
Temperatures near 70 Monday and Tuesday, and that's the Halloween holiday, so it's nice and warm.
Yeah, absolutely. People will be happy about that. Thanks so much. We appreciate that, Justin. And maybe you've seen it at the stores already, but a report put out by the Washington Post says Halloween treats are getting smaller. It's called shrinkflation, a move by manufacturers to reduce the size of the product instead of increasing prices. For example, a bar of milk chocolate is now 10% lighter in addition to shrinkflation.